If you can score at least 20 out of 40 on this English grammar and vocabulary quiz, your English skills are seriously impressive. Let's begin. Question number 1. What is a synonym of huge? Answer D. Large. What is a synonym of smart? Answer B. Clever. What is a synonym of begin? Answer A. Start. What is a synonym of happy? Answer C. Joyful. What is a synonym of fast? Answer B. Quick. What is a synonym of easy? Answer C. Simple. What is a synonym of rich? Answer A. Wealthy. What is a synonym of help? Answer C. Assist. What is a synonym of clean? Answer D. Spotless. What is a synonym of angry? Answer A. Furious. What is the opposite of day? Answer B. Night. What is the opposite of soft? Answer D. Hard. What is the opposite of win? Answer C. Lose. What is the opposite of happy? Answer A, sad. What is the opposite of open? Answer B, close. What is the opposite of empty? Answer C, full. What is the opposite of cold? Answer D, hot. What is the opposite of old? Answer B, young. What is the opposite of strong? Answer A, weak. What is the opposite of maximum? Answer D, minimum. What is the plural of foot? Answer C, feet. What is the plural of tooth? Answer B, teeth. What is the plural of lady? Answer A, ladies. What is the plural of wolf? Answer D, wolves. What is the plural of mouse? Answer C, mice. What is the plural of box? Answer A, boxes. What is the plural of child? Answer B, children. What is the plural of man? Answer D, men. What is the plural of baby? Answer A, babies. What is the plural of knife? Answer C, knives. What is the past tense of see? Answer B, saw. What is the second form of take? Answer D, took. What type of word is run? Answer A, verb. What type of word is if? Answer C, conjunction. What is the second form of eat? Answer D, ate. What type of word is quickly? Answer B, adverb. What type of word is the? Answer A, article. What is the past tense of go? Answer C, went. What is the second form of run? Answer D, ran. What is the past tense of come? Answer A, came. Out of 40 English grammar and vocabulary quiz questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quiz challenges.